Hello, this is a Suzuki dl1000 2007. So have a wee bit of problem. The problem is oil leak from somewhere, probably from the clutch pushrod seal. So I was buy lots of parts. Parts is here. So those parts are this is the clutch gasket, clutch pushrod seal. This is a new one. I have another one new. I will tell you what job I done already. There's more parts. So basically when I see the oil leak, I buy all parts necessary for that side, but I didn't change them all cause I was thinking I will find exactly where is the oil leak and I will change only one or two parts which will leak. So but anyway, I have a spare part in case I change the wrong one. So let's see what I did. I change 2 times this seal, this pushrod seal, right? Why I change it 2 times? The first time I change it after 24 miles of hard riding, the oil starts coming again. I guess it's coming somewhere here, somewhere around here where the pushrod is in the middle. I don't know. That's why this time I wash everything with the brake cleaner to be sure that I will find exactly where the oil is coming. So you can see the gasket area for the clutch cover is dry, pushrod is dry, the seal is dry, the sprocket area is dry. So I will try to put that in a second gear. I will start it up the bike and I will try to move a pushrod by the clutch lever. So and we will see if there is a oil leak or is there oil coming out or not. It's very hard to film, but I have to somehow. I need to put in a second gear. I can do with second, so right. Yeah, sorry. I have a bike in a second gear. Let's start it up and see what's going on. So, right. Shaft spins. No oil leak yet. Try to press the clutch. As you can see, what's going on under. Hey, what's going on? Where is the problem? Can't really see a problem. The shaft seal is dry. There is no oil leak at all. Okay, we'll see after some miles. So back again. Bike was running in fixed gear without a chain around maybe 10 minutes. So it's very hot now. To see where the oil is coming, well, we can see a wee bit wet seal for the sprocket, as you can see, a wee bit like a shiny. It was dry completely. Maybe there is no really oil leak. But another thing I found out, look at the gasket area for the cover from the top to the here to the bottom. As you can see on the bottom here, it's very bright. We oil collects exactly where is the. It's hard to film here. I will try. You can see. Wait a second. I will try to show you. See, this area is starting collecting oil, and I guess that oil is coming from the gasket from the top or somewhere in that corner and collecting in that area. So there is around a few drops. Didn't look like it's a push rod seal. Didn't look like at all. It's really dry and nice. So didn't see any signs of the oil leak from the push rod seal. So I think it's a gasket. I will change the gasket, and I will change the sprocket seal as well. And I will change this one too. So basically I have everything new. I will put it on. So